once again to She's World. My name is Sheila, but you can call me She. I'm coming to you again with another beautiful chicken recipe. If you had seen in my other video, I did the spatchcock chicken. The same recipe I used for the spatchcock chicken is what I also use for the wings. I wanted to do it two ways so that if people did not want to go that route, they can also see how they can use the same sauce for the chicken wings as well. This was delicious. This was easy to eat, beautiful and tasty. So I'm going to show you how I did the chicken wings recipe. Of course, the cooking time is going to change because the wings are quite smaller and it cooks quite faster. If you're new to our channel, welcome once again to our channel. I say thank you for being here. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for always coming. And if you see, I have some green pepper sauce and I have some red pepper sauce, and I just put a side of jollof rice by it. You can eat the wings as is or serve it with anything you prefer. I've already done a recipe on my red pepper sauce. I'll just do another one on the green one as well. Now let me run you through the ingredients of what I put together to make this delicious wings you see right here. Of course, we need our blender. If you're using a Ninja blender, you can really cut this up into huge pieces. You necessarily don't need to cut it up into smaller pieces. So the ingredients we are going to be needing is bell pepper, onions, jalapeno peppers. Yes, Mademoiselle Jalapeno. I think I should be saying Senorita jalapeno, but I will figure that out at some point in my life. Whilst I keep thinking about figuring this out, let's run you through the ingredients. So I have onions here. You can use any type of onion. I find that it really doesn't make any difference if you use the purple one I'm using or you use the white one or the yellow one. So I have a decent amount of ginger. I love ginger in these recipes because it does give it a beautiful taste. And you need chicken bouillon seasoning, minced garlic. You also need some salt and pepper. And instead of using water, I use vegetable oil. The reason I use the vegetable oil is because I don't have to add additional oil when I'm baking the chicken in the oven. So it kind of does the flavoring of the oil for me. And also, I'm 9 out of 10. I use the sauce when I'm done with the wings to cook jollof rice, fried rice, any type of rice that I add to my cooking. I always use the stock, so it makes the rice extremely flavorful. So really, these are the ingredients that we needed: the onion, bell pepper, and I did add some cloves, some cumin seeds, some anise seed as well, because I love the earthy flavor that it gives to it. So you can also add that. If you have allspice, go ahead and add it. The technique to cooking this chicken is you are the master of your chicken wings. So you decide the seasoning profile that you like, because I know a lot of people have different taste profiles. So the ingredients that I use might not be what they want. But the beautiful part of it is that you can decide that and make that palate pop. So of course I have the wings here, and I did add some bay leaves to this because it does also give it a beautiful flavor as well. So what we are going to do is we're going to cook this on medium heat for 15 minutes. The reason I'm not cooking it completely till it's done is because I'm going to end up putting this in the oven. So I just cook it enough where my end game here is not to make my wings dry. I promise you, eating dry wings is not what you want to do, at least not for this year. I mean, it's too early for that. So you know what I mean? Let's just make sure our chicken is moist. If you decide you want it dry, please, by all means, knock yourself out. So this is the wings. I cooked it for 15 minutes, and this is exactly what I want. The spatchcock chicken I did, if you can see the back of the chicken in there. That's fine. I did it on purpose because this is the stock that I wanted. You see that stock? Look at the wings and look at how much stock you have, and the oil and everything is beautifully out. That's what I was looking for. And then of course, if you've watched me a lot, you know that anytime I bake, I always line my baking sheet with the foil, only because one reason: the cleaning is so easy and it doesn't stick to your baking sheet. So you get what I'm saying? That's what we're going for. Once you have layered your wings beautifully on the baking sheet, go ahead and put your oven to broil. So I did put it at high because my theory here is just to brown the top of it, and then once it's browned, I turn the broil off and then I close the oven just to let the residual heat cook it completely through. You see what I'm sprinkling on there? That is suya seasoning. I never make these wings without the suya seasoning. It does give it a subtle kick. The heat is not overwhelming, it's just right there. And of course, that additional flavor that it gives you that cannot even be underestimated. Graham from Passion for Food made a beautiful, beautiful suya recipe. Gifty Cooking with Gifty has also made beautiful recipes with suya that I would recommend that you watch as well. Now look at this. Look at those wings. Nice, juicy, absolutely delicious. So now you see why I didn't want you to really cook it in the oven. Just put it on broil and then turn the oven off, close it, and then the residual heat will just finish cooking everything. And voila! It is done. Look at that chicken wings. Look at that green pepper sauce. This green sauce you see here was actually made out of jalapeno, ginger, garlic, and some salt to taste. And in the red pepper sauce, I have done it in a video before, but it's just tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and some salt as well. And then, of course, I did make it with jollof rice. You decide what you want to serve your wings with, but this was my preferred way. Once again, I want to say thank you to everybody for watching. Go ahead and share, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And if you're ready for more recipes and more vlogs, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.